Hi, I'm Mike, and welcome to a Motivation USA brief unboxing where you can buy anything, everything premium for your motorcycle. Let's see what we got. Before we dive into the video, take a moment, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Let us know down below what you'd like to see us unbox next, the EvoTech radiator guards or the EvoTech frame sliders.
Alright, here we go. What's a better way to check out this Motogadget M.View mirrors aside from taking a bike out? Alright, so far so good. They're nice and clear. I need to readjust this side. There you go. I can see behind me. Very nice. Nice. So far so good. I love them. They're very clean, very sleek looking. I can see so much better. No vibration really. You can see a little bit of color coming from the lights behind me, but it's really dope. The look of it itself, very clean. Much better than the OEM. And what better way to give you guys my thoughts on a product from quickly taking it out, throwing it on. You didn't see that coming on this unboxing. Might as well try some splitting. That's the overall idea here. Yeah, man, I'm really digging them. You guys know my style is to kind of be very incognito a little bit. I did feel like they're close to my hand, to the outside of my hand, but it's wearing in as a possibility. Like I said, you can mount these on the inside or on the outside. Maybe I'll play with that in the future. Who knows? I see you, fam. Definitely way better than I expected. And the beauty about these, they're super easy to put on. Very quick, take no time at all. Everybody's out, baby. I love how flat they are, man. I mean, they feel like they almost, the lines and feel like they belong on the bike. And you can get these in a spire version, a round version. There's different shapes. They're impressive. I've never ridden with these. I threw them on pretty much quickly as I'm doing the video. And keep in mind, guys, all of these can be found in the link down below. Motivation USA support our troops. Just keep that in mind. There's a few things that we're going to chat about over time, guys. They do have a point system when you shop at the website. And if you review a product, you earn more points and you can apply those to your purchases in the future. These are all great things that Motivation is bringing to the market. All right, finish up some shots for you guys. Let's head back to the garage and we'll close this up, man.
Motogadget is a German-based company that prides itself on high-quality instruments and innovative accessories for the motorcycle market. Their product portfolio includes analog and digital multifunctional instruments, turn signals, and glassless mirrors. Allow me to introduce the m.View blade, a very elegant design with a patented mirrored surface that's worked directly into the metal body. The aluminum itself is the mirrored surface. The convex mirrored surface is produced by fly cutting with a diamond tool. It's then made resistant to corrosion, oxidation, and scratches. The mirror body, arm, and handlebar clamping are milled from CNC machine aluminum. All screws are made of stainless steel, and the precise ball joint gives you precision in adjusting the mirrors. The m.View blade mirrors can be mounted several ways on a handlebar and clip-ons. The m.View blade mirrors come in several different shapes and only weighs 94 grams. As recommended, use your parts purchase to support the store that support your sport. Motivation USA gives back to the riding community with everything from safety seminar courses and worldwide racing sponsorship. For the most trusted parts and accessories, shop motivationusa.com. All links will be in the description down below. And remember, ride safe and ride often.